Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to connect two databases inside Notion using the relation property. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to link data between different databases, like connecting your products to your sales, unlocking powerful features and effortless organization within your workspace. Okay, let's dive right in. Imagine you've got two databases set up in Notion. One is for products, maybe all those cool things you offer or track, and the other is for sales, where you log every transaction that's happened. Naturally, you want these two to talk to each other. You want to be able to see which sales relate to which products and vice versa. This is where Notion's relation property comes in handy. Starting with your products database, the first thing you'll do is add a new property. To do that, just click that little plus Add a Property button at the top of your database. There are lots of property types here, but we're interested in relation. So go ahead and select Relation from the list. This step is important. Relation is what allows you to link one database to another, kind of like connecting two different spreadsheets that share information. Once you've chosen Relation, Notion will pop up a prompt asking what database you want to connect to. In this case, select your sales database. Think of this like saying, "Hey Notion, for each product, I want to keep track of which sales are linked to it." After you select sales, the relation column will appear in your products database. Now let's add some connections. In the new relation property that just appeared probably in the far right column, click on a cell next to a product entry. A little dropdown will let you choose from all your sales. Pick the relevant sale or multiple sales that tie to that product. For example, if you sold your eco-friendly water bottle 3 times, link each sale record here. If you're not seeing any sales yet, don't worry, you can always link them later as you add more data. With that done, let's switch over to your sales database. We want this relationship to work both ways, so if you're looking at a sales entry, you should be able to see the products connected to that sale. In your sales database, repeat the process, click plus Add a Property, select Relation, and this time choose your products database as the connection. Once you set up this relation property, you'll see a new column ready to go. Now you can populate the cells in this property by choosing which products were sold in each sale. For example, if a customer bought both a water bottle and a yoga mat in one transaction, you can select both from the dropdown. And that's really it. You've successfully linked your two databases, and now anytime you look at a product, you'll see all its related sales and vice versa. This makes tracking inventory, analyzing sales trends, or just staying organized so much easier. If you ever need to edit these links, just click the cell again and add or remove entries. Notion makes it super flexible. If any part feels a little confusing, don't stress. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the hang of making these links. Just remember, the relation property is all about connecting information, not copying it, so your data stays tidy and accessible. I hope this tutorial helps you feel confident connecting databases in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want to see tutorials on other features. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a tip on mastering Notion. Thanks for watching, see you next time.